Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the computers, that is multiple choice questions. I had already discussed up to part 4. Let us see what exactly in the part 5. Initially, we have CDs are of which of the following shapes we knew. What are the compact discs we have? They are in a circular shape only, not in square, regular, rectangular, or pentagonal, that is a hexagonal. It is always in a square shape which has got the tracks on it. The blinking point which shows your position in the text is, we knew that whatever the blinking point on the desktop, we find arrow mark, that is cursor. For seeing the output, you use what exactly we use for the visibility purpose, for the seeing purpose, desktop or monitor. That is one type of output device. Father of C programming language was Dennis Ritchie is the one who is the father of C programming language. Bill Gates is a Microsoft founder. And we have the next. Which of the following is the permanent memory? That is read-only memory is the permanent, and that is also known as non-volatile, and RAM is a temporary memory. A router is a computer over internet which read internet protocol address on a packet and relay it towards its destination. This is what exactly the functioning of the router. It directly takes the packet of internet and send it to the transmission. A floppy can be write protected by positioning the slider. This is, you have to remember, whatever the floppy we have, it can be write protected. Before, if you had watched the floppy, what you have to do is you have to position that slider away from the hole. If you do that, that can be easily protected. Someone cannot copy that. Next we have rotational delay time is also known as what? Latency. This is what exactly rotational delay time. The average drives have an access time of 9 to 14 milliseconds. This is what exactly the access time for the drive. That average is near about 9 to 14 milliseconds. Next we have, in which of the following kinds of disk does the read or write head physically touch the surface? We knew that is floppy disk is the one which has got a kind of disk which can read as well as write. Next we have, what abbreviation of RAID? RAID. That is redundant array of inexpensive disks is the computer terminology. RAID is, that is redundant array of inexpensive disks. Next we have CD-ROM is what? One type of optical disk. It is a circular type of optical disk. Hotmail, a free web-based email service, is operated from the which of the following companies? From the Microsoft. This type of Hotmail is monitored. The collection of binary digit, we knew that what are the binary digits we have? That is a collection of 0 and 1. That is one thing you have to remember. That is binary digits 0 and 1. That is nibble, we can see that is 4 bits is a nibble. So it's a collection of binary digit of this 0, 1 and 0, and these are all 4 bits. Which of the following is not a part of CPU? As you can see, CPU's part, its control unit is the 1, storage unit is the 1, as well as arithmetic logic unit is the 1, but not program unit. Next we have, which of the following is not the unit measurement in the computer system? That is API. Now I want you guys to comment me in this section what exactly the abbreviation of respective DPI, PPI, BD and megabyte is known. Rest all you have to remember. Among them, API is not the measurement of the computer system. In Windows XP, which of the following shortcuts is used to cycle through opened items in taskbar? That is Alt Escape is the one which are to be used in the Windows XP shortcuts for the cycle through opened item in a taskbar. Alt and Escape has to be pressed. In concern of database, what does OLTP stands for? Online transaction processing is the one which is the abbreviation of OLTP, online transaction processing. Next we have dash is the process of analyzing data from different perspectives and summarizing it into useful information, that is data mining. This is what exactly the data mining is: a process of analyzing data from different perspectives and summarizing it into useful information. Next we have a network point that acts as an entrance network is called what? Gateway. What exactly the gateway is? It is a network point which acts as an entrance network, that is called gateway. The toolbar in which you can type a web address is called what? That is address bar. In this you will find the web address in that. So please remember guys, whatever the questions have been given, they are all previous year questions. What is top level domain name of the following URL? As you can see here, the top level domain is Yahoo for this, www.yahoo. Next we have dash or web addresses that users have asked the web browsers to remember for convenient access in the future. That is favorites or web addresses that users have asked the web browsers to remember for convenient access in the future. Which of the following is a characteristic of data warehouse? It is organized around important subject areas is the one which is an important characteristic of data warehouse. This organized around important subject areas. File servers store and manages files for network users. What exactly these file servers store and manage files for network users? An applet is a compiled program that usually runs on the client. This is what exactly the applet does. The network interface card of LAN is related to the following layer, that is transport, network, data link and physical. These are all network interface card of LAN. So please remember, it is very important. A sometimes called a boot vector virus executes when a computer boots up because it resides in the sector of floppy disk on the master boot record of a hard disk. I want you guys to comment me what exactly it is called. Which of the following error detection methods uses one's complement arithmetic, that is checksum? What exactly the checksum? It is error detection methods uses one's complement arithmetic. A computer virus cannot lead to, that is motherboard crash. We knew that what are the computer, it doesn't directly lead to the motherboard crash. WAP allows wireless mobile devices to access the internet and its services such as web and electronic mail. That is what exactly the function of WAP. REST all TCP transfer control protocol, transmission control protocol and internet protocol. Ethernet is just cable. DOS floppy disk doesn't have virtual memory. Whatever the disk operating system floppy disk have got, that doesn't have virtual memory. MICR, we knew that what are the code we use MICR in the banks. Magnetic ink character recognition. There is a reader with which only that MICR code can be read. All the information collected during development is stored in a data warehouse. Please remember what are the information that collected during the development, which is stored in which place? That is stored in data warehouse. The end user query tool is the component which is used by the data analyst to create the queries that access the database. The end user query tool component is used by the data analyst to create the queries that access the database. Why is 80486DX costlier than 80486SX? Because numeric cum processor, that is the reason it is very costlier. Numeric cum processor exists in that. Next we have in C++ by default the members of the class are all private type. So in this, whatever the members of the class, they are all private. In this link, create, system, these are all what? One type of operating system. Negative. So please write down this. It's a wrong answer. None of this is the right answer. Windows, Linux, these are all operating systems. Create, link, system, they are not operating system. An ATM head consists of, we knew that in that it has got 5 bytes. Whatever the ATM header has got 5 bytes. Network components are connected to the same cable in the bus topology. We knew that star, ring, bus, mesh and mixed topology we have. In this bus topology is the one where the network components are connected in the same cable. So that is what exactly exists in the bus topology. A computer checks the database of usernames and passwords are a match before granting access. So this is what exactly the computer does. So it checks the database of usernames, passwords, match before granting access means permission. Video, it's one type of screen as well as monitor. It is both. It's the output device. Visual display unit. It's not, printer is not a visual display unit. A polymorphic virus which modifies its program code each time it attaches itself to another program or file. This is what exactly the polymorphic virus is. That function is to modify the program code each time it attaches itself to another program or file. Microwave transmission is used in environment where installing physical transmission media, that is easy or promising, and where F-slide transmission is available. This is what exactly microwave transmission is used in environments. Which of the following is not a good web security strategy? That is, remove unnecessary compiler and integers, which is not a good security strategy. Restrict access to the web server. Keep a minimum number of posts open. Limit the user who can load software or edit or add files. Add demo programs so that users can test system without accessing production data. So these are all there in a good web security strategy, but not removing unnecessary compilers and interpreters is not the perfect solution. Next we have, how is power supplied to a low power USB device? That is through the USB cable we directly supply the power. Next we have basic principles of network. That is, there must be communications media connecting the network hardware devices. What exactly the principles of network? Except each computer must have a network card. So there must be a communications connect the network hardware devices. Here, whatever the basic principles of network, it should be each computer must be connected to different to have a network card. There must be at least one connecting device. Each computer must have software that supports the movement of the information. This are all has to be mandatory, but not. There must be communication media connecting the network hardware devices. That is not mandatory. The natural nets data mining technique that derives rules from the real world case examples. These are, you can see how exactly neural nets are there. So these neural nets are data mining techniques, derives rules from the real world case examples. Please remember guys, they are very important. Cookies are used to identify a user who returns to a website. So these are the important things. These are the cookies which are used to identify a user who returns to a website. Which of the following object is passed to a Java bean when one of the properties is set via a JSP action? That is, servlet response is the one which is important. That is, object is passed to Java bean when one of the properties is set via JSP action. These are a few 50 questions. That is a mock test 5, which is very important for you guys. Please go through my playlist. You will find more question paper regarding all these computers for all competitive IBPS as well as army clerk and even for Delhi police we have. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.